Just get started. If you've ever looked for tips on launching a business, just get started seems to come up a lot. And while it's vaguely motivational, it does not provide any real direction. Because the next logical question for anyone would be, well, how do I get started? What specifically should I do? Well, if you're looking to quickly get started without the confusion, risk, and pressure of doing something entirely new, I've got a solution for you. It's called the Solopreneur's Fast Track, a step-by-step process on how to start a business using the skills you already have and actually enjoy. So let's say your favorite part of a previous job was email marketing. You'll learn how to start a business offering other companies advice on how they can improve their email marketing. Or maybe you are really good at integrating complicated tech tools. You can help other organizations do the same thing without the need to bring on a full-time hire. The main point here is that everything you need to start a business is already within you. So how did I come up with this content for the course? Well, actually, you helped. I surveyed 300 entrepreneurs to understand exactly what was holding them back from launching their own business and what a solution would look like. Some of the common roadblocks were lack of clarity, being short on time, and not knowing how much to charge. I've answered all those questions and more. And by completing the course, you'll also discover a simple approach for attracting and converting clients without using complicated funnels or cheesy sales tactics. It's just 2 hours long, so you can finish it over a weekend, and you'll be able to generate revenue in as little as 30 days. This is how you'll gain the clarity and confidence you need to start a business and receive a one-page business plan so you can immediately apply what you've learned. So get started today. I look forward to seeing you in there.